Today we will start our next exercise of chapter derivatives, chapter 5th, and exercise 5J. The topic of the exercise is differentiation of infinite series. Derivative of, yeah, you can say derivative of infinite series. देखो जी तुहानू गिवन है भी इनफाइनाइट सीरीज है उन्हां दे डेरिवेटिव्स किस तरह करने हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, y is equals to under the root of x plus under the root of x plus under the root of x plus up to so on infinity. देखो स्टेटमेंट ਨੂੰ ध्यान ਨਾਲ देखो ਕੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ y is equals to under the root of x plus under the root of x up to so on कितों तक जा रहे हैं अपने को infinity तक जा रहे हैं. प्रूव देखो की करना है. प्रूव दैट dy upon dx is equals to 1 upon 2y minus 1. So let's start our question. Solution: y is equals to under the root of x plus. देखो जिथे तुहाडी स्टेटमेंट रिपीट होनी शुरू हो जाएगी उत्थे तुसी ब्रेक लगा के y ले लेना है. ठीक है जी. अंडर द रूट ऑफ x प्लस अगेन अंडर रूट स्टार्ट हो गया, स्टेटमेंट स्टार्ट होगी, उत्थे आपां की ले लेना y. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਡੈਰੀਵੇਟਿਵ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ? ਸਕੇਅਰਿੰਗ ਬੋਥ ਸਾਈਡਸ. ਸਕੇਅਰਿੰਗ both sides. So squaring both sides तो अपने को क्या आ गया? y square is equals to x plus y. अंडर रूट ऑफ स्क्वायर की हो गया, कैंसिल आउट हो गया. डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, डेरिवेटिव कर रहे हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. y स्क्वायर द डेरिवेटिव पावर अगे आ गई जी 2y into y the dy upon dx is equals to x the derivative 1, y the derivative dy upon dx. dy upon dx एक साइड कर लिया पर 2y dy upon dx minus dx is equals to 1. So taking common dy upon dx inside देखो की रहेगा 2y minus 1 is equals to 1. So this implies we have dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2y minus 1. Hence proved. इस स्टेटमेंट से आप प्रूव की करना से भी dy upon dx is equals to 1 upon 2y minus 1 आएगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टेटमेंट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ है, इस टाइप ਦੇ क्वेश्चंस किस तरह करने हैं जिथे ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ स्टेटमेंट रिपीट हो जाएगी, जिथे रिपीट होनी स्टार्ट होगी ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ब्रेक करके की ले लेना है y ले लेना. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. Question number second is y is equals to, if y is equals to under the root of 3 power x plus under the root of 3 power x plus under the root of 3 power x plus up to so on infinity. So prove that 2y minus 1 into dy upon dx is equals to 3 power x log 3. ठीक है जी. सो सॉल्यूशन दे विच देखो y is equals to under the root of 3 power x plus अंडर रूट अगेन स्टार्ट होगी रिपीट. सो उत्थे आपां की ले लेना y. सो स्केयरिंग बोथ साइड्स, स्केयरिंग बोथ साइड्स. सो स्केयरिंग बोथ साइड्स नाल की हो गया y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 3 पावर x प्लस y. सो डेरिवेटिव डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, y स्क्वायर द डेरिवेटिव 2y into y the dy upon dx is equals to 3 power x का डेरिवेटिव जी 3 power x log of 3 plus y the derivative dy upon dx. 3 power x का डेरिवेटिव 3 power x log 3 किन्हें आया, देखो डेरिवेटिव सी फॉर्मूला d by dx of a power x. So it's a power x log of a. इसे कांस्टेंट दी पावर x हो गया, दा डेरिवेटिव की हो जाता है कांस्टेंट पावर x इनटू log ऑफ कांस्टेंट. सो dy by dx वाले सेपरेट कर लो, 2y dy upon dx minus dy upon dx is equals to 3 power x log of 3. So dy taking common dy upon dx कॉमन कर लिया, अपने को किया गया 2y minus 1 is equals to 3 power x log of 3. Hence proved. ठीक है जी, यही प्रूव करना सी ਆਪਾਂ. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 च की है, देखो इफ y इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर द रूट ऑफ sin x plus under the root of sin x plus under the root of sin x plus up to so on infinity. Prove that 2y minus 1 into dy upon dx is equals to cos x. So let's start. Solution. So y is equals to under the root of sin x plus again under root start we are taking y. So squaring both sides. So y square is equals to, you can say sin x plus y. अंडर रूट और स्क्वायर कैंसल आउट हो गया. डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, y स्क्वायर द डेरिवेटिव 2y into y द dy upon dx is equals to sin x द डेरिवेटिव cos x plus y द डेरिवेटिव dy upon dx. So dy upon dx को देखो 2y dy upon dx minus dy upon dx is equals to cos of x. So taking common dy by dx, 2y minus 1 is equals to cos x. Hence proved. So next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is y is first part. Question number 4 first part, y is equals to sin x power, y is equals to sin x power sin x up to so on infinity. So prove that dy upon dx is equals to y square cot of x divided by 1 minus y log of sin x. ठीक है जी. So solution is y is equals to sin x, तो sin x की पावर sin x, अगेन फंक्शन रिपीट हो गया. देन इथे ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ y. लेकिन लास्ट एक्सरसाइज ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ, ਜੇ वेरिएबल ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ वेरिएबल ਹੈ ਦੈਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਟੇਕਿੰਗ log both sides. So here log y is equals to log of sin x power y. So this implies you have log y is equals to y log of sin x. How? Because log of m power n is equals to n log m. ठीक है जी। इन लास्ट एक्सरसाइज ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ log m ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ n ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ n log m। so differentiating with respect to x log y the derivative 1 upon y into y the dy upon dx is equals to, this is your first function and this is second. so first function as it is derivative of second log of sin x is 1 upon sin x into sin x the derivative cos x plus log of sin x as it is y the derivative dy upon dx. so dy upon dx को separate कर लो, this is 1 upon y dy upon dx minus log of sin x, taking common dy by dx 1 upon y, here this is dy upon dx. so is equals to y cos x upon sin x is cot x. so this implies you have taking LCM dy upon dx is equals to 1 minus dy upon dx into 1 minus y log of sin x divided by y is equals to y cot of x. so this implies we have dy upon dx is equals to y into y, this is y square cot of x divided by 1 minus y log of sin x. this is your answer, hence proved. so now start next question. fourth second part is same as it is of this question. we are starting fifth question. so question number fifth is y is equals to tan x power, question number fifth, y is equals to tan x power tan x power tan x up to so on infinity. prove that dy by dx is equals to, prove that dy upon dx is equals to 2 at x is equals to pi by 4. so let's start this question. y is equals to tan x power tan x, again function repeat. so this is power y, taking log both sides, taking log both sides, we have log of y is equals to y log of tan x. so differentiating with respect to x, log y the derivative dy upon 1 by y into y dy upon dx is equals to, this is your first function and this is your second function. so log of tan x the derivative 1 upon tan x into tan x the derivative secant square x plus log of tan x as it is derivative of first y the derivative dy upon dx. so dy upon dx वाले separate कर लो, 1 by y minus log of tan x into dy upon dx so is equals to y into, देखो secant square ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ 1 upon cos square x and 1 upon tan is 1 upon sin x cos divided by cos x. so ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਇੱਕ cos cancel ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. so we have taking LCM this side 1 minus y log of tan x divided by y dy by dx is equals to y upon sin x cos x. so dy upon dx is equals to, we have dy upon dx is equals to y square divided by sin x cos x into 1 minus y log of tan x. this is your dy by dx. Now we have to find the value dy by dx at x is equals to pi by 4. So now at x is equals to pi by 4 अपन dy by dx फाइंड करना है. So पहला at x is equals to pi by 4 ਤੁਸੀਂ y ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ फाइंड ਕਰੋ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਤੋਂ. y ਕੀ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ tan x power y. So you have y is equals to tan of pi by 4 power y. So tan pi by 4 is, that means tan 45 degrees 1 power y, and you can equate this implies you have y is equals to 1. At x is equals to pi by 4, y is equals to 1. So dy by dx is equals to, at x is equals to pi by 4 and y is equals to 1, we have values 1 square divided by sine of pi by 4 cos of pi by 4 into 1 minus log of tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is 1, sin pi by 4 is 1 by under root 2, cos 1 by 4 is pi by 4 is 1 upon under root 2, 1 minus log of tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is 1, log 1 is 0. This implies you have 1 by under root 2 into 1 by under root 2. This is 1 upon 1 by 2 and dy by dx is equals to 2. Next question is question number 6. Question number 6 देखो बच्चे y is equals to x power x up to so on infinity. ठीक है जी. Prove that x dy by dx, prove that x dy upon dx is equals to y square upon 1 minus y log x. So solution is y is equals to x power y, then taking log both sides, log of y is equals to y log of x. So differentiating with respect to x, log y the derivative 1 upon y into y the dy upon dx is equals to first function as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. So taking one side dy by dx 1 upon y minus log of x is equals to y upon x. Taking LCM dy upon dx into 1 minus y log of x divided by y. So y is equals to y upon x. This implies you have dy by dx is equals to y into y is y square divided by x into 1 minus y log x. So hence proved 1 minus y log x, and you can say this x goes to that side. So x dy by dx is equals to y square upon 1 minus log of x. Now next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is y is equals to a power x up to so on infinity, and prove that dy upon dx is equals to, y square log y divided by x into 1 minus y log x log y. So let's start. Solution: y is equals to a power x power y So that here is repeat, or you can say y is equals to a power x power y. ठीक है जी. So taking log both sides, we have a power x power y. So you can write a power x power y. So taking log both sides, we have log of, taking log both sides, log of y is equals to, you can say x power y log of a. ठीक है जी. Then again taking log both sides, देखो इस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ, ਇੱਕ ਟਾਈਮ log ਲੈ ਲਿਆ ਜੀ. अजे भी वेरिएबल की पावर पर वेरिएबल पाई अपने को. सो अगेन टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड्स, अगेन टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड्स, वी हैव log of log y is equals to log of x power y into log of a. So this is your first, this is your second. That means log m into n. You can say this implies we have log m plus log n, or you can say this is n log m, log of log y. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, log of log y, that means 1 by log y into log y the derivative 1 by y into y the dy upon dx. ठीक है जी. So this is here we can apply product rule. Y as it is log x the derivative 1 by x plus log x as it is y the derivative dy upon dx plus log of log a is constant term, derivative is 0. So dy upon dx into 1 upon y log y minus log x is equals to y upon x. Taking LCM here, dy by dx into 1 minus y log of y log x divided by y log y is equals to y upon x. Now dy upon dx is equals to y log y goes on that side. This implies we have y square log y divided by x into 1 minus y log x. Hence proved. ठीक है जी. Now next question is, so question number 8 is y is equals to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus up to so infinity. Prove that dy upon dx is equals to y upon 2y minus x. So solution is y is equals to x plus 1 upon, again repeat x, so here you can take y. So y is equals to, taking LCM, x y plus 1 upon y, and you can say y goes to that side, so this implies you have y square is equals to x y plus 1. So differentiating with respect to x, y square derivative is 2y into dy upon dx is equals to, we are applying product rule here. First function as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. So 1 the derivative is 0. Now you can say taking common dy upon dx, dy upon dx को एक separate कर रहे हैं एक side पे, is equals to y. Taking common dy upon dx into 2y minus x is equals to y. This implies you have dy upon dx is equals to y upon 2y minus x. Hence proved. Now question number last is 9th question. Y is equals to, if y is equals to sin x upon 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus up to so on infinity. Prove that dy upon dx is equals to 1 plus y into cos x plus y sin x divided by 1 plus 2y plus cos x minus sin x. So solution is y is equals to sin x divided by 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus, again repeat sin x, so here you can take y. Now y is equals to sin x upon, taking LCM here, 1 plus y cos of x plus cos of x divided by 1 plus y. Now here is 1 plus y. Now cross multiplying, y into 1 plus y plus cos x is equals to sin x into 1 plus y. Now multiplying these brackets, so here you have y is plus y square plus y cos x is equals to 1 plus y into sin x. Here you have sin x plus y sin x plus y sin x. Now differentiating with respect to x, y the derivative dy upon dx plus y square the derivative 2y dy by dx plus y cos x. Here you are applying product rule. First function as it is, derivative of second, cos x the derivative minus sin x plus cos x as it is, y the derivative dy upon dx is equals to sin x derivative is cos x plus y sin x. Again applying product rule, first function as it is, derivative of second, sin x the derivative cos x plus sin x as it is, and then y the derivative dy upon dx. So separate dy upon dx here terms separate karo. Here is 1 plus 2y, 1 plus 2y or plus cos x or minus sin x, and terms without dy by dx is on right side देखो cos x plus y cos x minus से उस साइड इधर आके प्लस का हो गया y sin x. ठीक है जी. So dy by dx is equals to, taking common cos x, so 1 plus y into cos x plus y sin x divided by 1 plus 2y plus cos x minus sin x. This is your answer, hence proved. Now exercise is complete. Thank you students.